Which statement best describes the zeros of the function? G of x equals x squared minus 1, that quantity times the quantity of x squared minus 2x plus 1. Well, again, what I can highly recommend is that you type this into Desmos and look at the picture. So I'll turn on the screen there. And what I see is that I have 1, 2 distinct real zeros. So if I go back and look at the problem here for a moment, let's see if that's an option. And it says the function has 3 distinct real zeros. No, the function has 2 distinct real zeros and 2 complex zeros. Well, I don't think it is. I think that this is my only option there. The function has 2 distinct real zeros because it doesn't have 4. I want to point out on the screen here that with this root or zero of the function right here, if you notice, if you look sideways, the graph is like a sideways S, which means that this is a cubic function. So this root has a multiplicity of 3. In other words, if we factored this expression a little bit more, we'd get x minus 1 times x plus 1, and then we'd get x minus 1 and x minus 1. So we'd have 3 parentheses that have x minus 1 in them, which gives us that shape of that curve. So we only have 2 distinct zeros. We have no complex zeros because of the multiplicity on this particular point. If we take a look at the next problem here, again, I can't stress Desmos any more than I have. Which equation could represent the graph of the function? Again, the list that I have down here might be a different order than what you have, but it's just a matter of typing them into Desmos. As I look at this picture, what I'm seeing here is that we have a root at -2, and we have a root at 1. Roots are also called zeros of the function. So when we come over here and we look at the picture, we'll start with this one. Well, we've got a root at -2 and a root at 1. I got lucky again, and it's that one, I believe, but let's just take a look. Not that one. Definitely not that one. And it's, I don't think, nope, because we've got 3 roots on there. So again, our choice is going to be x plus 2 squared times x minus 1. I got to go back and look at this here one more time. X plus 2 squared. Did I type in the answer? No, I'm good. X plus 2 squared times x minus 1. X. It's not that one. It's this one. Sorry about that.